world and unravel its mysteries. It's like having superpowers to see things that are usually hidden from view. So get ready for an adventure into the fascinating world of the very small. So how do microscopes work their magic? It's all about lenses. A lens is a curved piece of glass or plastic that bends light. Microscopes use lenses to make things appear much larger than they actually are. The most common type of microscope is the compound microscope. It has two sets of lenses, the objective lens near the object you're looking at and the eyepiece lens you look through. Light shines through the object, then through both lenses, making the image look much bigger. Think of it like this. The objective lens acts like a magnifying glass, creating a bigger image of the object. Then the eyepiece lens takes that bigger image and magnifies it even more. This two-step process allows us to see incredible details we could never see with our eyes alone. It's like zooming in on a picture on your phone, but way more powerful. The invention of the microscope revolutionized science. It all started in the late 16th century with eyeglass makers in the Netherlands. They discovered that combining lenses could magnify objects to an astonishing degree. One of the most famous microscope pioneers was Antony van Leeuwenhoek. In the 17th century, he built simple microscopes with incredibly powerful lenses. With his microscopes, Leeuwenhoek made groundbreaking discoveries. He was the first to observe tiny living organisms in water, which he called animalcules. Another important figure in the history of microscopy was Robert Hooke. He was also fascinated by the microscopic world and even built his own compound microscope. In 1665, Hooke published his book Micrographia, filled with detailed drawings of insects, plants, and other objects as seen under his microscope. He was the first to use the word cell to describe the tiny compartments he observed in cork, forever changing our understanding of biology. Over time, scientists developed even more powerful microscopes. The light microscope, like the ones we've talked about, uses light to illuminate the object. But there are also electron microscopes, which use beams of electrons instead of light. Electron microscopes can magnify objects millions of times larger, revealing even the tiniest structures like atoms. They're used in many fields, from materials science to medicine, helping us understand the world at its most fundamental level. Microscopes aren't just for scientists in labs. They're used in countless ways in our everyday lives. Doctors use them to diagnose diseases. Forensic scientists